Hello students, today we are going to consider GRR and NRR problems from practical assignment part. So actually it is the fifth question given in the assignment part. So we'll consider this problem. Here gross reproduction rate is asked to obtain, that means GRR is asked to calculate. So given part, age group 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49. Female population is given, female births are given. Now first we should obtain women specific fertility rate to obtain GRR. How to obtain WSFR? Here just observe 20 divided by 1600 into 1000, that is 12.5. 70 divided by 1100 into 1000, 63.64. 100 divided by 1700 into 1000, 58.82. 70 divided by 1600 into 1000, 43.75. 30 divided by 1600 into 1000, 18.75. 10 divided by 1500 into 1000, 6.67. 0 divided by 1400 into 1000 is 0. So for WSFR, after the decimal point we should consider 2 digits. Now WSFR column total should be obtained, that is 204.13. Now observe the width here, it is 5. So 5 into 204.13 gives us gross reproduction rate. So WSFR formula, female births to women of age X upon number of females of age X into 1000. So I into summation WSFR, here we are considering childbearing age for women. 5 into 204.13, so we have got 1020.65. This GRR is divided by 1000, so 1.02065 we are getting. So female births per woman of childbearing age. So this value is slightly greater than 1. So we conclude that if GRR is greater than 1, population is increasing. So next problem, compute gross reproduction rate from the following data. Here also age group 15 to 19, 20 to 24 up to 45 to 49 is given. Female population is given, female births are given. We are obtaining WSFR column 19 divided by 1600 into 1000, 11.88. 21 upon 1700 into 1000, 12.35. 90 divided by 1700 into 1000, 52.94. 62 upon 1800 into 1000, 34.44. 33 upon 1700 into 1000, 19.41. 12 divided by 1600 into 1000, 7.5. 2 divided by 1500 into 1000, 1.33. So we are taking last column total. So that is 139.85. Now if there is a little bit variation in the second digit after the decimal point, then it is okay, no problem with that. Now just recall what we are doing. We are multiplying 5 to this 139.85. Here width is 5. So 5 into 139.85 to get the value of GRR. So WSFR formula is written, GRR formula is written. So substituted and we have got 699.25. GRR is divided by 1000, 0.69925 female births per woman of childbearing age. This value represent female births per 1000 women of childbearing age. If it is divided by 1000, then per woman female number of female births per woman. So observe this value, it is less than 1. 0.69 means it is less than 1. So we conclude that population is decreasing. Next problem. Here net reproduction rate is asked to obtain, that is NRR is asked to obtain. Here age group is given, female population, female births, and one more column is given, that is survival rate. So we are representing that by yes. So these 4 columns are given in the question. We are inserting 2 more columns. One is WSFR and another one is WSFR into yes. So WSFR, women specific fertility rate. So calculation part is same as we have done in GRR, that is 19 upon 1600 into 1000, 11.88, 22 upon 1700 into 1000, 12.94, 90 divided by 1700 into 1000, 52.94, 62 upon 1800 into 1000, 34.44. Like this we have divided 33 upon this into 1000. We have got this answer. 12 upon 1600 into 1000, 7.5. 2 upon 1500 into 1000, 1.33. Now WSFR into S, that means 0.92 into 11.88. 0.9 into 12.94. 0.88 into 52.94 is 46.5872. 0.86 into 34.44 is 29.6184. 0.85 into 19.41 is 16.4985. 0.83 into 7.5 is 6.225. 0.75 into 1.3 is this much. Now we should obtain last column total. So we have got 122.5022. Here we have not calculated WSFR column total because in NRR WSFR total is not needed. Just recall the formula of NRR, that is I into summation WSFR into S. That means 5 into 122.5022 to get NRR value. So WSFR formula is written, NRR formula is written. So 5 into last column total, which is equals to 612.51. If it is divided by 1000, we are getting 0.61251 female births per woman of childbearing age. Since NRR is less than 1, we conclude that population is decreasing. Last problem based on NRR. Here also age group is given, female population, female births, and survival rate. So we have represented that by yes. So these 4 columns are given. So we have calculated women specific fertility rate by dividing female births to females of age X divided by female population of age X into 1000. So 15 upon 1390 into 1000, 10.79. 95 upon 1422 into 1000, 66.8. 103 upon 1521 into 1000, 67.71. 75 upon 1756 into 1000, 42.71. 32 upon 1451 into 1000, 22.05. 11 upon 1689 into 1000, 6.51. 1 upon 1667 into 1000, 0.6. Here I have considered 2 digits after the decimal point. For WSFR into S, we are considering 4 digits after the decimal point. So corresponding values are multiplied, that is 0.96 into 10.79 is 10.3584. 0.96 into 66.8 is this much. 0.96 into 67.71 is 65.0016. 0.95 into 42.71 is 40.5745. 0.95 into 22.05 is this much. 0.94 into 6.51 is 6.1194. 0.92 into 0.6 is 0.552. So as you know, WSFR into S column total should be obtained. Here we have obtained the total. It is multiplied to 5. 5 means here width of the age class, that is 5 into this number gives us NRR value. NRR is I into summation WSFR into S. So we have got 1038.407. So if it is divided by 1000, 1.0384 female births per woman of childbearing age. So it is greater than 1, population is increasing. Thank you.